This is a real post from the White House X page. President Trump went on Truth Social, made this post, and is throwing doubt at global warming. So there is a massive, cold, dangerous, devastating storm about to hit half the United States. And Trump says, whatever happened to global warming because it's cold today where we live. And then he calls anybody who believes in global warming environmental insurrectionist. And this is a prime example of how Trump just doesn't understand anything. Now, I am not a climate scientist by any means, but I have read enough to have a basic understanding of the consensus of climate scientists. So, the Earth has this polar vortex, which is normally stable and stays pretty high north. But since the Earth is warming, we have these pockets of warm air that push up and disrupt this polar vortex. And as this warm air pushes up into the polar vortex, we get these massive swings of Arctic air that come down into the United States. So, what would cause the polar vortex to be disrupted and have these drastic swings? Climate change. I would also like to point out that last week it was colder in Florida than it was Alaska.